Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Solvers. Here I want to find x where 9 to the power of x equals 3 times the square root of 3. This is a good question for those preparing for SAT, and the difficulty level of this question is medium to hard, as is shown by this red color here. I'll first focus on the right hand side of this expression and try to somehow simplify this. For that, I'll use first rule, which says the mth root of a to the power of n is a to the or equals a to the power of n over m. And following this rule, I can write this square root of 3 as 3 to the power of 1 over 2. Why is that? That's because the index here is 2 and the power of 3 is 1. Okay. Now, on the right hand side of this expression, we have 3 times 3 to the power of 1 over 2. Now it's time to apply the second rule. And the second rule says if we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this can be replaced by a to the power of m times n, since the bases are the same. And I can use that here. Why is that? That's because the exponent for this 3 is 1. And I can write this as 3 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2, and this equals 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, so the whole expression here on the right can be replaced by this 3 to the power of 3 over 2. So bear that in mind. Now I'll focus on the left hand side expression here. Well, the third rule, or before I am applying the third rule, let's simplify this expression a bit. Instead of 9, I can replace that by 3 to the power of 2. So here we would have 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x. And the third rule says that if we have a to the power of n to the power of m, this equals a to the power of m times n. So I can rewrite this as 3 to the power of 2 times x, or simply 2x. Okay, so on the left hand side we have this, on the right hand side we have this, and we know these two are equal, so I can rewrite this here. Well, 3 to the power of 2 times x equals 3 to the power of 3 over 2. And since the bases are the same, we can just assume that, or we can basically use this fact that 2 times x equals 3 over 2. And since I want to isolate x, to find what is x, I need to divide each side by 2. And if I do so, then I will get x equals 3 over 4.